Does the Auto-Rain lawn gear irrigation system need to be winterized?
Auto-Rain lawn gear is a self-draining system. The rotors and pop-ups from Rainbird have a auto drain on the bottom of each head. So during the winter in cold climate areas, the system simply needs to be discontinued from the water source, the spigot on the side of the house, and disconnected from that spigot, whereby air will go in and displace any residual water that's in there. There's a cap provided in each kit to prevent dirt and debris from entering the system over the winter. And if there are any low-lying areas during installation where there is not a rotor or a pop-up, an inline drain would simply need to be installed, which is all part of the instructions as well.
Is there a timer option for the Auto-Rain lawn gear irrigation systems?
Auto-Rain lawn gear can be updated to include digitally controlled battery-operated timers.
How many Auto-Rain lawn gear systems have been sold?
There are thousands of Auto-Rain lawn gear systems installed, working extremely well across the country.
How many spray heads can I install per zone?
You can install 3 rotors per zone in each of the large area kits. You can install 4 pop-ups in each zone for the small area kits. However, if the water source is greater than 5 gallons per minute, you can then add rotors or pop-ups for small area or large area kits accordingly to the amount of water that you have at your home or from your pump or your water source.
How can I install under a paved area?
Walkways at a home or driveways can easily be undermined to put pipes underneath there for the installation of Auto-Rain lawn gear do-it-yourself kits. Most hardware stores have the Jettison kits available. They're less than $10, and within a short period of time you can easily get underneath a walkway to install irrigation on the other side of the walkway.
Can the Auto-Rain lawn gear irrigation system be tied directly to a water supply?
Many do-it-yourself consumers are well aware of basic plumbing aspects and installations. While Auto-Rain lawn gear is designed to be hooked to the spigot on the side of a home, many do-it-yourself consumers will realize that they can bore a hole through the basement wall of their home and tie it directly into the plumbing inside their home. By doing such, they can install electronic valves, electronic controllers inside the home to control these zones accordingly, and also have a greater flow of water with larger pipes inside their home.
How can I cut through sod or grass?
You need sharp, square shovels, and you should thoroughly water the area beforehand to soften the sod to make the installation that much easier.
Can I aerate my lawn with the Auto-Rain lawn gear system?
Aerating your lawn is fine to do. You should certainly mark where the pop-ups and the rotors would be. Do not aerate over the top of those, but the irrigation line is down 4 inches below the surface, so aeration is fine.
Is a permit required?
You will need to check your local codes.
How can I adjust the Rainbird 5006 rotor?
See Rainbird 5000 series instructions inside the kits, or visit our website at autorainlawngear.com.
I don't have a lawn yet. When do I install the Auto-Rain lawn gear irrigation system?
The best time to install your irrigation system is the finished grade for your yard. If you're going to sod your yard, you'd want to leave the rotors or pop-ups approximately 1 inch above the finished grade. If you're going to seed your lawn, the rotors and pop-ups should be flush with the finished grade in your yard.
How do I get dirt out of the sprinkler line? I had to repair a section and some spray heads are not working properly.
If dirt or debris enters the system at any point, you simply need to remove the cartridge from the pop-up or the rotor. You'd want to dig around each one of the rotors at least 4 or 5 inches across and down the entire rotor or pop-up. Turn the system on, flush out the dirt, and then reassemble. By digging around the rotor of the pop-up, you will prevent additional debris from entering the system as you try to flush out the small amount of dirt and debris that may be in there already.